Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we need to do a little bit of a throwback today to kind of wrap this all up and heading to move on. So we made our templates folder and has all of our HTML files in it. I was reviewing my notes, looking to wrap this up and move on, and I realized that I did not show you how to actually connect these. So we need to make sure we were in our settings Python file, and then go down to templates, and then come down here to DIRs. And to be honest, I can't remember right now if this was blank, but it should be os.path.join, the base of where you are, and our folder that we made, templates right here. So there we go. So now we are wrapping this up. Real quick video today. Apologize if your stuff has not been working and you're sitting there bashing your head against the wall going, why isn't this working? So I do every once in a while one of these, and you guys do a great job of catching this. I think one of the most famous one was when I was going on vacation and I recorded it, and I have absolutely no idea what happened to the video. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, any video requests, and the next series we're going to be starting, you guys have been very, very patient with this, is Beautiful Soup. So more with web, but on the other side, the pulling from. So thanks always for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.